Hello, welcome to the class of mathematics. Today let us have the class on chapter 6. This is not at all new to you. Already this chapter 6 you have learned in your previous class, 6th or 7th. Some more new things you are going to learn in this class. So let us recollect what already you have learned. We have learned in our previous classes. What is a set? A collection of well-defined objects is called a set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. What is the meaning of this well-defined? Let me explain you. Suppose set A is having A, B, C, D, E. This we can say that this is a well-defined set. These all are well-defined. Or let me say A is a set of first 5 letters of English alphabet. That means we are able to say that what are the first 5 letters of English alphabet? That is, they are A, B, C, D, E. So it is a set. That's why A is a set, because it is well defined. Then what is not well defined? Let me explain you. B is a set of easy chapters of class 8 mathematics. In class 8 mathematics, many chapters are there. Some chapters may be easy for some students. The chapters which are easy for some students may be difficult for others. And the chapters which are difficult for someone may be easy for some others. So we cannot say particular chapter is easy or difficult for everyone. Clear? That's why it is not a set. Because this is not well defined. I hope this is clear to you. What is well defined, what is not well defined. Okay? Now, some important things you have to remember that names of the sets are always written in capital letter. Okay? And in a set, the elements are not repeated. Suppose let me give you set P is having 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 3. Suppose set P is having all these. That means P is having element 1, element 2, element 3, element 4, element 5. Though element 1 is 3 times, 2 is 2 times, 3 is 2 times, we have to write only once, because in a set the elements are not repeated. Okay? And some more things you are going to learn is some more points. What are whole numbers? What are natural numbers? With what letter we have to represent those whole numbers, natural numbers and all. Let me explain you. Okay? We use letter W for whole numbers. You know that whole numbers are starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay? And we use letter N for natural numbers. Natural numbers are starting from 1. Natural numbers along with 0 are whole numbers. and we use letter I or Z for integers. Integers means they are positive, negative, along with 0 or integers. See 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and this side -1, -2, -3, all these are integers. And we use letter Q for rational numbers. And for R we use for real numbers. Okay? As you go through the lesson chapter, you will be getting these alphabet, so you must know what are these. Now let me explain you how to represent the set. Okay? We can represent the set in 3 different ways. Okay? So 3 ways of representation of sets, or 3 methods we can say. Your first method is description method. What are these? Let me explain you. Your second method is roster method. Roster method is also known as listed method. And your third method is set builder method or set builder notation we say. Okay? Let me explain you what are these methods, how to represent these by some examples. Suppose set A is a set of vowels of English alphabet. This we have described. So this is the description method. Same thing, let me write in roster method or listed method. A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Here I have listed the elements of the set. So this is your roster method, or we can say listed method. And what is set builder method is A equal to X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. So in set builder method, always you have to write like this X such that. For this we can write 2 dots also, either 2 dots or a line. Okay, this is your set builder notation. So same example I have explained you in 3 different ways. Okay, now one more point you are going to learn, that is what is cardinal number of a set. Cardinal number of a set means the number of elements present in a set is the cardinal number of a set. Okay? Cardinal number of a set means the number of elements present in a set is the cardinal number, or is its cardinal number, or is the cardinal number of a set. And how to represent it, and let me explain you. For this only let me take you the example, explain you. A equal to A, E, I, O, U. The number of elements present in the set. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. So the cardinal number of set A is 5. We have to write NA. NA means number of elements present in set A is equal to 5. I hope this is clear to you. Okay? Thank you.